Formax presents the FD2002IL inline pressure seal system. The Formax FD2002IL system prints, folds, and seals one-piece pressure-sensitive mailers in one seamless step, reducing processing time while increasing document security. The FD2002IL works in line with model-specific Miker and non-Miker desktop laser printers and requires no special software. The sealer is simply activated by a photo eye sensor. The IL system includes the FD2002 pressure sealer and a sliding alignment base, which ensures proper alignment between the printer and the pressure sealer. The alignment base allows the printer to easily slide back to gain access to the infeed deck. With the ability to process up to 75,000 pieces per month, the FD2002IL has a fully enclosed paper path designed to conceal confidential documents, including PIN notices, checks, school grade reports, and healthcare information. A variety of standard and custom forms up to 14 inches in length can easily be processed on the FD2002IL. The fold plates are easy to adjust and clearly marked for 11 inches and 14 inches standard fold settings. To operate, simply set the fold stops, load forms into the printer, and start securely processing forms. An optional conveyor is available for neat and sequential stacking of processed forms. The Formax FD2002IL inline pressure seal system.